If you need to forward a Google Calendar meeting quickly, this tutorial will show you the simplest way to do it in just a few steps. Whether you're sharing a meeting with a teammate, sending an invite to a client, or forwarding an event to someone who missed it, this method makes it fast and easy. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and sign into the Google account that has access to the meeting. Once your calendar loads, look for the meeting you want to forward. You can find it on the day it's scheduled or use the search bar if you have a lot of events on your calendar. When you see the meeting, click on it to open the event details. This will show you the full information for the meeting, including the time, title, guests, and any available joining options. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct event before moving to the next step. Now look for the invite via link button. Depending on how the event was created and what options are available, this may appear as a link sharing or invitation option inside the event details. Click that button to generate or access the shareable meeting link. Once the link is available, copy it carefully. Make sure the entire link is selected so the person you forward it to can open the correct meeting without any issues. After copying the link, open your email, chat app, or messaging platform and paste it into your message. Now forward the link to the person who needs access to the meeting. You can add a quick note like, "Here's the meeting link," or forwarding the calendar invite for reference. If needed, you can also double check that the person has the right time zone and date, especially if they're in a different location. And that's it. You've now forwarded a Google Calendar meeting using the invite link. It's a simple process, but it can save time and help make sure everyone gets access to the right event details. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.